Hello, welcome to a new video. Sorry if the ratio is different, if this seems different, I don't know. It's a different camera, it's my underwater camera. So I don't really know how to do it with this one. I broke my camera. I broke my normal camera, so yeah. We're doing that, we're living with that. So today, I don't really know what I want to draw. I think I'm gonna draw just kind of draw girls inspired by love hearts and things, I'm thinking, which I think will be kind of cute. Don't you? I think so. I really like love hearts, and so let's just draw some girls inspired by love hearts. Something I really have no idea what I want to do. So. I'm having so much fun now. Oh, I'm so happy I'm having fun. That's the main thing with art. Make sure you're having fun with it. Don't do art for the stress of it. Do art because it helps you feel good, you know? You can be a rubbish artist, but because you're learning kind of thing is what I mean. But or even if you always stay bad, but if you enjoy it, that's the pleasure of art. Is art never has to be perfect, and it can just be whatever the hell you want, you know? So enjoy art, or just enjoy watching art. If you're not an artist and you just enjoy watching people do art, then that's also great. If you get art is for enjoyment, all right? And if you can make a life out of enjoying doing the things you enjoy, that's even better. You know, this is not my job right now. I want it to be my job when I'm older. When I'm older, I'm 25, but I want this. I do want art to be my profession. Hence doing YouTube. It makes sense, doesn't it? What colour hair are we gonna do? I think that's a wee dilemma. Do we go brunette? Or do we go... I don't have any cold browns. Cool tone browns. I don't have loads of those, actually. Oh, I might have some Spectrum Noirs that are quite cool tone. One of my lights is going to break in a minute. Not break, it's going to stop functioning soon. I'm going to do blue eyes, I know that. Oh, cute. Well, that's a nice light one to start with. So I always put cool grey on the eyeballs now, because it makes the glossy bits of the eyes, What the glossy bits, the glossy bits. The reflections, that's it. The reflections really stand out, and then I also like to add a little purple, a darker shadow to the top of the eye as well, so it actually gives that round dimension of an eyeball. I really like to do that. Oh, she's so cute! I'm thinking brown hair. I'm going brown hair. Oh yeah. Perfect hair colour. I think she looks quite Welsh. And that sounds really weird. So I'm Welsh, and I think she's just got quite a Welsh look about her. I mean, you're like dark Irish kind of vibe. She's definitely like got British about her, which makes sense as I'm British. But like, you know, sometimes they just kind of look like American or something, but she actually looks, must be the colouring or something, but yeah, she's really striking me as really British looking. Pretty! Right, she needs a gold necklace. Let's see what shape this is. Maybe I should have gone silver. I don't know. Oh well, too late. I'm not entirely sure whether this is the second half of a video. Obviously you guys will know, because either this is the beginning of the whole video or you're like, well, we've already watched you draw one girl. So, anyway. Right, if you see food throughout this portion of the video, that's because I'm currently eating lunch as well, because I'm hungry and slightly ill, I think. Ooh. So, I've just come back from Centre Parks, Longley one, and I think I'm feeling a little bit ill. It wasn't the most relaxing of Centre Parks holidays this time. Yeah, so, but yeah, if you see food, that's because I am. Let's just draw some cute stuff, because I'm ill and I want to draw cute things. She's cute. She's kind of inspired by what I'm wearing today. So I've got this like, well, I've got this blue one on. It's a Hello Kitty one. It's super, super cute. But it's kind of inspired by my outfit. But she's super cute. Look at her. Oh, she needs a bit of like pink around the outside, doesn't she? Bit of a bit of some love hearts around her. I love this colour so much. It's Robin Eggs Blue, I think. Is it? Yeah, Robin's Egg Blue Copic Chow Pen. I love this shade so much. She's so cute. Oh, I haven't done the highlight. I haven't done her highlight yet. Let's do that. Yes, how could I forget the highlight? I love doing the highlight. It's just the best bit. It just brings it out, you know. Bit of shine on the shoes. A little bit of an outline on the hoodie. Oh my god, she's so cute. She's so cute. I love her. Right, should we do something, another one? Should we do another drawing by her, perhaps? What is the time? Only 1:15. Well, that's good. That didn't take too long. I'm not really going to be doing any big drawings. I'm just going to do some doodles today for Valentine's Day coming up. Or has it already been by the time this video's out? I think it's coming up. Yeah. Oh my goodness, let's draw a chibi. Let's draw her as a chibi, that'd be so cute. I love drawing chibis. I do love drawing a chibi. They are very, very cute. I am also watching Exo Kitty at the same time. That's why I'm not talking loads, because I'm feeling ill and I just need to chill at the moment. So yeah, that's what's going on. So let's draw her as a chibi. She's also cute. So cute, isn't she? She's so cute. What colour should I do for a round? Maybe the yellow. Maybe we'll go for a light yellow. This is really light yellow, okay. Maybe a bit too light. A bit too light. Right. Let's go for it. Oops. It attacked me. There. Oh, this is a cute colour. What's this? Crescent yellow. Ooh, cute. So cute. Some more little love hearts. Crescent yellow Ohuhu marker, by the way. Not Copic like before. This crescent yellow is so cute. I am in love with this colour. It is adorable. So I think I'm going to end this video here, because obviously I'm drawing shorter than the video probably actually is, I think. I don't know. We'll see. If there's more after this, that means I couldn't find the other bit, and enjoy. So thank you very much for watching. She's super cute. And I will see you in my next video. Please subscribe. Bye!